Hey guys, so I just got this 2018 Polaris 450 Sportsman, all-wheel drive and all. I got it to someone, the person I bought it with, they glued the key in, so I guess the key snapped off in this one, so they they super glued it in. It worked, but I like to have a key where I can take it out from, so I think this is a stock one that came with the bike in 2018, if I'm not mistaken. But I went on Amazon and I found the direct replacement for it. It was $11, $12 with shipping, and also, yeah, it wasn't hard to do. It was take off this front cover, right, which is over here. You're gonna have 4 bolts. Gonna be 2 here, which are connected to those 2 tabs here. And then you're gonna have these 2 on the side. There are star bits, or turrets, and it is a T20 that worked on my bike. I don't know if it's gonna be the same for you guys, but that's how it worked for my bike. The only difficult part I had so far was that 2 wheats, this clip right here, with this still inside of it. You can't take it. I couldn't take it out. I did a flathead screwdriver and just trying to put it in there. So sorry for the video quality, and my voice is not the best right this moment. Just getting over something, and yeah. So that's our wing that we just take off there, and that's gonna be put on back here. That's gonna hold it in there, so we're gonna put that over here for now. And if I can get the camera set up, or let's see if I can do it one-handed. It's really not difficult to put this back in there at all. Just trying to line up the holes. It's not tight. It's tight, but it's not tight enough where I can't do it. There you go. No. And I did always test out the bike. The one that I bought came with new keys, so I don't know if all of them do or not. They should, but I don't know if they all do. But then you'll probably just this on here. It's really not hard. I got a what's it called? Nino nose pliers, and added tightness, and that's how I also untightened it. So you don't need it super tight. I'm gonna need 2 hands to do this, so y'all can kind of just watch me. That's point of view, I should say. Okay, yeah, that's the wire here that you guys would need here. So it would be this one right here. This is not hard to see, really. It's pretty self-explanatory, not gonna lie to you about all that. So yeah, I'm just trying to find the camera angle here. I'm going to put you all guys right here for now, just so I can do this, because I want this key to be straight. I don't want it to be oblong or sideways or whatever. Oops. There we go. Yeah, I found a deal on Facebook, and I went ahead and said, well, I'm done with driving a 20-year-old bike, so it's a 2003 Trail Boss. I was buying that for the longest time. And it needed more work that I wanted to put into it. I needed suspension, I needed a bearing carrier, which I already did 2 years before, and it's got to the point where it's 20-year-old problems. So all I'm really doing, you guys flooded me. all I really just did there was just made sure it's straight. So let me put your key in. It wasn't sideways or anything, and like I did say, it does work. It was a straight fit, plug and play, best I could find on it. And I already tested it. I already turned it on. That's the best thing I did so far. Is I took it off and I started it before I even installed it. So that's what I wanted to do first. But except that, that's really all there is to it. It's really not that hard to do. It took me not even 15 minutes, honestly, to do this at all. So, and it's so far so easy. Everything's right here. I'm be doing bulbs also today, so I'll be changing these out from halogens to LEDs. So look out for that video also. So yep, that's how you do your keyless and on this bike. I decided to do this video because I was looking it up myself, trying to see how hard it was, and I didn't find any videos of it. But so here you guys go. So this is again 2018 450 80 EFI Sportsman. So yeah, you might see other videos on this bike. Like I said, I'm gonna do LEDs on these. So considering it wins, but that's really about it. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys in the next one.